Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to download PBS Kids game. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right off the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to download PBS Kids game, what you need to do is head over to your App Store or in your Play Store if you are using your Android device. Now once you are here, tap on the search icon and then tap on the search bar. Enter in PBS Kids game, and once it loads, what you need to do is scroll down and then tap on the app. Now tap on the get button or install button according to your device, and once you do that, you will successfully download the PBS Kids game. Now tap on open to open up the PBS Kids game, and then here you will be getting something like this on your home screen. Once it loads, now you will be getting something like this on your screen. Now here you can simply head over and then start playing your PBS Kids game. So that's basically how you can do it, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching, bye bye.